Hello friends, I hope your preparation for the competitive exam is going well on track and with full dedication. Today I am going to discuss a very important trick of digital route which can help you in simplifying your various questions on number system and algebra. There are students various ways to solve tricky questions which you can find in various competitive exams. But I will tell you a technique, I will tell you a trick of digital route with the help of which you can solve the questions within few seconds. Now let's have the look on the question of digital route. The question says sum of all the digits of natural number G357 is equal to 3 plus 5 plus 7 is 15. What is the value of P where P is equal to G63 plus G64, G65 till 171. Now student, first of all, you should know the meaning of digital route. Here I will only tell you the meaning of digital route. I will not go in the detail. What is the meaning of digital route, student? Convert the number into single digit by successive addition. For example, if I say digital root of 29, which will be 2 plus 9, which will be 11, and for 11 again it will be 1 plus 1, which will be 2. So digital root of 29 will be 2. Now take another example. Digital root of, if I say 897, it will be equal to 8 plus 9 plus 7, which will be equal to 8 plus 9 is 17 plus 7 is 24, and for 24 again 2 plus 4, which is equal to 6. So digital root of 897 will be 6. So you can apply this technique in this question. So simply what we can do, student, here we can find the sum of the 63 plus 64 like we find in the arithmetic progression. So series is 63 plus 64 plus 65 until it is 171. Now the total number of terms are 109, which is n by 2 into first term plus last term will be the sum in AP, arithmetic progression. So it will be equal to 109 upon 2 into 3 plus 1 is 4, 7, 6, 13, 112, 234, and it will be 117. Now what is the digital root of 109, students? Digital root of 109 will be 1 plus 9 is 10, which is 1, and digital root of 117 will be equal to 9. So multiply 1 into 9 will be 9. So that means the digital root for the question should be 9. Now check the choices. Which choice is giving digital root as 9? 4 plus 2 plus 1 is 7, 3, 2, 5, 6, 7, 1, 8 plus 1 is 9. This can be one of answer. 9 is 17 plus 3 is 20, dr is 2. So simply, student, you can see this choice number 3 is giving digital root as 9. So this is our answer. But I know most of you are wondering why this is happening. For this, student, you have to see full length video in which we will cover the whole concept of digital route, and for that you have to enroll on hitbullseye.com. Thank you, students.